Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features of two popular graphics cards from XFX, the Speedster SWFT 210 RX 6600 and the Speedster QICK 319 RX 6750 XT. In this video, we will analyze their specifications, performance in gaming, cooling efficiency, and overall value for money to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 RX 6600 is priced at $279, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers looking for good performance at 1080p. On the other hand, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 6750 XT comes in at $399, which is a significant investment, but offers enhanced performance for higher resolutions. The price difference reflects the capabilities of each card, with the RX 6750 XT being geared towards more demanding gaming scenarios. In terms of performance, the RX 6600 is a solid choice for 1080p gaming, providing decent frame rates in most modern titles. However, it may struggle with higher resolutions and ray tracing. In contrast, the RX 6750 XT is designed for 1440p gaming, delivering superior performance and higher frame rates, making it a better option for gamers who want to push their settings to the max. If you're looking for future-proofing, the RX 6750 XT is the way to go. Cooling is another critical factor to consider. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 features a dual-fan cooling system that keeps temperatures manageable during gaming sessions. However, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 boasts a triple-fan design, which not only enhances cooling efficiency, but also ensures quieter operation under load. This makes the RX 6750 XT a more appealing choice for gamers who prioritize a quiet gaming experience. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 RX 6600 and the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 6750 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 6600 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers focused on 1080p performance, while the RX 6750 XT is a powerhouse suited for those looking to game at higher resolutions. Consider your gaming needs and budget before making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.